Hello, my name is Christine and I live in southern Albemarle County, and I also serve on the Albemarle County Solid Waste Alternative Advisory Committee, otherwise known as SWAC. And one of the things that I do is I spend a lot of time at McIntyre Recycling Center, and where people are often confused about what to do with their number 5 plastics. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a great alternative. Instead of buying yogurt at the store in a number 5 plastic container, you can make your own yogurt and you don't have to worry about what to do about this plastic container. So making yogurt is actually super easy. What I do is I get my milk from a local dairy over in the Shenandoah Valley, and I take my milk, and it really doesn't matter. You can make it by the quart or you can make it by the pint. I take my milk, I put it in a pot, heat it up on the stove. You bring it to just below boiling. So it'll take, depending on how much milk you're heating up, you're going to heat it just below boiling, take it off the stove, and we're going to pretend that this milk is hot. So you have to be really careful. You're going to take your hot milk and you're going to transfer it into a mason jar. And then you're going to let that milk cool off to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can let it cool off by putting it in a water bath or just setting it out on your counter. One thing that's really helpful is to have a thermometer. And this is a cool infrared thermometer that can help you out with that. So when it's down to about 110 degrees, it's cooled off and it's just right to inoculate. And what I do is I save a little bit of my yogurt that I made the week before. And I take a spoonful of it, or you can use yogurt from the grocery store. Make sure it's plain yogurt and that it's a live culture. You mix it in with your warm milk, give it a good stir, put the lid back on, and then you want to keep it in a nice warm place to let it incubate. And so what I typically use is I use a cooler. I put some warm water in the cooler, about 130 degrees Fahrenheit, set it in the nice warm water bath, and keep it in there for 8 to 10 hours. And voila, when you're done, you're going to have a beautiful jar of fresh yogurt. So delicious. So, and if I went too fast with this, you can always look it up online. There are many, many recipes. So happy Every Day is Earth Day. And say goodbye to number 5 plastics.